Hey everyone, it's me Priya and you're watching PRIYAPREETIARTS, and today's tutorial is about how to draw real thick hairs of girl. So in this video I'm going to talk about how I have done this. Okay, so for that time taken is minimum 45 minutes, and second one is materials requirement. Now I'm going to explain you how to do it. So for that I'm going to explain you in 5 steps. First one is outline, which is used by mechanical pencil. Second is shading with camelin charcoal pencil, medium shade. And third one is blending with brush. Fourth one is shading again, and fifth one is highlighting with mechanical eraser. I used to sharpen this eraser, okay? Not with sharpener, with cutter, okay? Sometimes nails are enough to cut this on this side. So yeah, let's see how to do it.
Turn it turn it up. We about to turn it up.